men of virtue, people brought up on equal basis. That is why you find that we are saying male and female. You find love, you find nurturing, you find brotherhood, you find parenthood, and values are ingrained.
Organizers, different organizations here in diaspora. We have event planners, people who are in logistics, people who are in different fields, who are actually hustlers. And for their own development within diaspora, we're going to ask how can we maybe cooperate with the Kenyan government so that we can and widows and persons of diasporans who are seated here, they have their ATM cards in testing in courts because they have lost their money. However, the Kenyans here in diaspora who are willing to do business in Kenya, they are feeling kinder stranded, obtaining. Kenya is actually done before talking about dual citizenship, talking about passports, talking about...
And filled me in on a lot of things. From what I could tell from the assessment, copies they were to deliver to folks, and, which is an international
Domestic Tourism Association.
Na furaha yetu ni kwa sababu sasa tushapata hiyo document na kuna vitengo vingine hapo ndani vina kutusaidia. Kwa sababu tukiwa na Taita Taveta County Tourism Board, alafu tuwe na Taita Taveta Tourism Information Center, alafu hizo vipengele viko hapo ndani tuweze kuvitekeleza, ili board itakuwa inafanya kazi vizuri.
You have to really analyze things and figure out where you're at and how you're going to get to where you want to be. We want diversified tourism, and there's a bunch of things that can be done, but there needs to be a central county tourism board formed.
We are looking forward into exploring those untapped tourist attractions. Of course, we know Taita Taveta has been known for the game drives, you know, the safari, but now we want to move away from that. Because we have other tourist attractions, like I've said, like we have the agri-tourism, we have the sports tourism, we have the geo tourism, and many others.